In this video, you will see how to draw single line in MS Word document, horizontal or vertical. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab, and under the Insert tab, go to the Shapes. Here you will see the option of line and line arrow. So you can select any one. After clicking on the symbol, now if you try to draw a line, it won't be a straight line and it will be difficult to draw a straight line. So the trick here is to go to the shapes option, select line option and press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then draw a line. In this way you can get a straight horizontal line, and similarly you can also draw straight vertical line. You just need to press and hold the shift button and then draw the line. Now by default this line will not have a black color. If you want a black color or any other color, you just need to right click on the line, go to the format shape option. Under the line here you will see the option of color. Select the color of your choice. And if you want to increase the thickness, you can do it from here. Next to the width, just enter the number, for example 5, and press enter. And if you want a dash or a dotted line, you can select it from here. In this way, you can draw single line in MS Word, change the color and change the line type in Microsoft Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.